Hi, I'm Dr. Emily Perry and I lead Quillbot's education program. Quillbot is an AI-based writing and research platform designed to help you write better, faster, and more effectively. In this short demo today, we're going to be taking a look at how to use our paraphrasing tool. Quillbot's paraphrasing tool was built to help you with writing tasks like articulating your ideas, crafting great topic sentences, and visually editing your work. It'll help you say what you want to say, how you want to say it. The examples we'll explore in this demo include how to refine an awkward or bad topic sentence, how to make drafting painless, and how to make meaningful edits when you feel like you just can't edit anymore. Of course, the paraphraser can simply be used to restate facts you'll cite to support your arguments, but there are so many more creative ways to use this tool for instant feedback and new ideas that can elevate both your writing skills and your workflow. Let's dive into our examples. So let's say I'm writing an article about comets and my NASA references are ready to go in the citation generator bank. When editing my work, I see a topic sentence that has all the info I want it to have, but's feeling a little flat. So I put it in the paraphraser to get some new ideas on how I could make it better. To hone the writing style and tone, Quillbot has 6 different writing modes, including standard, fluency, creative, formal, shorten, and expand. Formal seems like a good place to start for me right now. I can adjust the synonym slider to control how much variance I want to see in the paraphrase options, and I can use the drop-down thesaurus feature to find just the right word or phrase to express my thoughts. This feature also allows English language learners to build fluency faster by seeing words and phrases in context. Premium features, like freeze words, protect jargon, acronyms, and any other words we don't want to see changed, like NASA here, while the compare mode feature will show us all of the paraphrased options for every writing mode at once. So if I like some of the feedback from the formal and creative modes, I can mix and match or even type a new idea I have into the output box to get it just right. This is a really powerful and easy way for us to seamlessly link our ideas and arguments to the paraphrased information. And when we're done, we can copy the text to our clipboard or export it. We can further fine-tune our workflow with the options in the settings menu, where we can choose whether or not we want to paraphrase quotations, use contractions, and even whether we want to write in American, British, or Australian English. We can also decide which interface elements we want to see and which we don't. Here, we could be writing an email early in the morning, or even crafting dialogue for a character in a screenplay. Either way, if the idea or sentiment isn't perfect, or we're worried about grammar or fluency issues, we can toss in our lackluster sentence and refine the output until it matches the vision we have in our mind. Paraphrased outputs function as instant feedback on our writing, without us ever having to ask anyone else to read it. We can take or leave the ideas, or use them as inspiration for varying our vocabulary, sentence structure, style, and tone. This is a great example of how Quillbot's paraphraser takes the pressure off of us during the drafting stage. So instead of staring at a blank document, you can keep moving, get that rough draft done, and know you have the support to edit your work to perfectly articulate your points. This is an example taken from an early draft of a geochemistry paper of mine. My writing here was redundant, but I've been working on it for so long that I couldn't really even see it for what it was anymore, much less figure out how to fix the weak spots. So to get some ideas for how to better express my results, I tried a few of the different writing modes. In this case, shorten worked the best and highlighted what redundancies could be cut. I used the synonym slider to see more possibilities for word and phrase choice, and using the drop-down thesaurus, I could quickly compare and contrast those options to help me make smarter language choices to better articulate my findings. The paraphraser also enhances your workflow by minimizing distractions and tabs. For instance, it's a thesaurus in its own right for words, phrases, or full sentences, and if you need a dictionary, just hover over a word option to see its definition. Using the paraphraser, you can build your writing confidence and find a true sense of ownership over your work, without those frustrating moments of not being able to move what's in your mind onto the page. You can try the paraphraser out for yourself at Quillbot.com.